Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin ano yung energy in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And of course, general reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi. Okay? And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Okay? Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Okay, Sag, let's see. Next 7 days, timeless reading, next 7 days. What's the energy for Sagittarius? Uy, wisdom, palace. So, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng kasagutan sa mga tanong nyo, in the next 7 days, you will find the answers. Kumbaga, I see this as a solution to the things na you are worrying about or gusto nyong ayusin, gawa ng paraan. This can also mean learning. So, maaring mayroong opportunity for you to learn, to pwedeng sa school or may magme-mentor sa'yo or self-study. No? Marami naman ng ways ngayon para matuto, 'di ba? You also have, Neptune energy. This is your imagination. Wow. So, Neptune is about your creativity. So, pwedeng ikaw, mas nagiging creative ka. And at the same time, yung knowledge mo, yung wisdom mo, yung natutunan mo, you're going to use that for creating something. So, some of you may be creating a content, no? Content creation, or maaring ang iyong career path ay nasa arts, music, or anything that you create as a product, no, or service. Now, full moon is about celebration. So, in the next 7 days, you will celebrate something na achieve mo sa buhay, no? Pwedeng meron kang goal na na-achieve mo, or meron kang award, rewards, or meron ka lang sinet na goal na gusto mong makuha, tapos makukuha mo siya ngayong in the next 7 days. Especially kung mataon to na full moon if you're watching this, tapos full moon in the next 7 days, ayan. So, that's a confirmation for you. Some of you naman, pwedeng merong like a reunion, pagsasalo-salo, pagsasama-sama with the people you love, you care about, no, in the next 7 days. So, your overall energy is the Queen of Cups. This is about being compassionate, being focused on the people you love. So, in the next 7 days, mas magiging caring and protective sa mga taong mahal mo. I also see you na mas nagiging expressive, no, sa nararamdaman mo. Your challenge is the Ace of Wands, which is about starting something new. So, pwedeng isa sa challenge niyo ay pagsisimula ng isang bagay na gusto nyo, na you've been thinking about, na pwedeng yung iba, ino-overthink nyo kung sisimulan nyo na ba. So, ngayon, the challenge is, saan nyo mahahanap yung spark na yan? Na minsan, parang gusto natin na madaliin yung mga bagay-bagay kahit hindi pa tayo ready. So, you have to make sure na ready ka, no, bago mo simulan, para hindi ka rin naman magsisi, ano man yung maging resulta niyan. Whether this is a business or relationship project na sisimulan mo. Now, your opportunity is the Nine of Pentacles. So, this is a great opportunity for you. This is about independence. Pagdating sa finances mo, maganda ang pasok ng pera. Maaring kung mayroon ka negosyo, maraming clients, customers. Kung ikaw ay may trabaho, pwedeng mayroon kang extra bonus na marireceive, or pwede rin may increase ng income para sa'yo. So, when it comes to your finances, I also see you na mas nagsisave ka ng pera ngayon. Kumbaga, yung mga dati na hindi mo magawang maipon or pag-ipunan, ngayon, na pag-iipunan mo na. Now, your blessing is the Nine of Wands. The Nine of Wands is about resilience. So, lakas ng loob, no? Courage, na kahit may mga challenges, kahit medyo may mga times na nahihirapan ka, andun pa rin yung lakas na meron ka. 'Di ba? Yun naman ang importante. Na yung mga pagsubok kasi lagi namang nandyan yan. Darating yan, mawawala. But ang importante is meron kang lakas ng loob na harapin yung mga pagsubok na yan. So that is your blessing. And then your focus is the Empress. Oh, ang ganda ng focus mo. You're focused on taking care of yourself, no? Practicing self-love, self-care, also abundance, no? So maaring ngayon, you're very busy in creating money, creating abundance, and pagkakaroon ng stability sa iyong resources. This is also about self-care. So taking care of yourself. Maaring meron kang mga gagawin na para sa sarili mo, na syempre, iba-iba naman yan, subjective yan kung ano yung self-care ng bawat isa. Like, yung iba, ang self-care para sa kanila is to travel. Yung iba naman, mag-spa, mag-relax. 'Di ba? So, whatever, kung ano man yung self-care for you, that is going to be your focus in the next 7 days. And also your finances. So, focus mo rin talaga na magkaroon ka ng something extra, no, for yourself and for your future. Let's see what else, Sagittarius. Next 7 days. Oh, butterfly. Butterfly is about, this is metamorphosis. So, ibig sabihin, meron transformation. No? Kasi, di ba, ang butterfly, nagiging butterfly lang yan from a caterpillar. So, maaring ngayon may magbabago sa sitwasyon mo in the next 7 days. Or may babaguhin ka sa sarili mo, especially that your focus is about self-care, no? So, pwedeng yung pananamit mo, mas magiging confident ka, may mga ayusin ka sa sarili mo, pwedeng sa physical appearance mo, and even your knowledge and skills. You also have waterfall. So, this is about, some of you, meron kayong patatawarin. Pwedeng you are forgiving someone in the past, no? You may be letting go of the things that are no longer serving you kasi yan yung nagpapabigat sa'yo. This is also part of the transformation, no? Na syempre, para makapunta ka dun sa bagong ikaw, kailangan may i-let go ka, meron kang iwanan na dating ikaw, 'di ba? Or dati mong sitwasyon. Na, rainbow. There's a rainbow always after the rain. So, some of you Sagittarius, kung may mga na-experience kayong challenges in the past, no? So, in the next 7 days, you will see na ito ay unti-unting natatapos na. Napapapa-thank you Lord ka na lang talaga dahil tapos na yung pagsubok, no? So, now, the rainbow is here. And rainbow, it symbolizes abundance, new opportunity, mas magiging optimistic ka, mas magiging positibo yung pananaw mo sa buhay. Yan naman ang isa sa importante kasi mas mas na-motivate, no? 'Di ba? Optimism. If you're going to make up stories in your head about people and circumstances, please make them love stories with happy endings, 'di ba? You are more optimistic. And of course, space, no? The quality of your life has more to do with what you remove from your life than what you add to it. Give yourself the gift of space. So I feel like this is something na yung ile-let go mo nga para meron kang space for something new. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.